Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix forget screen time passcode on Mac. So if you can't remember your screen time passcode, you won't be able to change protected screen time settings. In most cases, the problem can be resolved by using Apple account that was linked when passcode was created. However, if no recovery option was set, your recovery choice may be limited. So let's go through the steps you should try. First, you have to click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system setting when the menu prompt. After that, go to screen time and here scroll down all the way and click on change passcode button. After that, you can see a forget passcode button if you have linked your Apple ID when screen time passcode was created. So click on it. Now here sign in using your Apple account associated with the screen time passcode. Enter your Apple account here and then click on next. Now enter your Apple account password here and click on next again. After verifying your identity, create a new screen time passcode and confirm it. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.